Welcome back to IntoLearn, your lean learning hub. Today, we'll dive into the lean principle of value stream, the secret to seeing where value is created and where it's wasted. Let's simplify it and make it garment industry friendly. What is a value stream? Every product goes through a series of steps: cutting, sewing, finishing, packing. Together, these steps form a value stream, from raw fabric to finished product in the buyer's hand. But here's the catch: not all steps add value. Some steps are just waiting, moving, or reworking, pure waste. Value versus waste. Lean teaches us to map the value stream to see what is truly adding value for the customer and what is just wasting time, space, or money. For example, stitching a bra cup adds value. Waiting 2 hours for accessories, pure waste. Final packing adds value. Moving boxes 3 times, unnecessary motion. Value stream mapping. One powerful tool is value stream mapping, VSM. It's a simple flowchart that shows each process, step process time versus waiting time, where inventory or delay exists. Once mapped, you can clearly see where to cut the waste and improve the flow. Why it matters. When you understand your value stream, you can improve flow and reduce lead time. Reduce costs by removing non-value activities. Make your process transparent for training and improvement. In garments, this helps you speed up production, meet shipment on time, and boost quality with less rework. So remember, value stream equals the journey from raw to ready. Map it, improve it, and deliver more value with less waste. Like, comment, and subscribe to IntoLearn for more lean learning. Coming up next, how to use a real value stream map in your factory.